Hi! We appreciate the opportunity to have you try out Swiftspeed to create your apps. In this video, I'll guide you through the onboarding process and show you how to get started with Swiftspeed. For support or inquiries, click on this link to contact support. If you'd like to change your password, you can use the Profile and Team section to add team members or update your information. If you want to create a new app or manage your existing apps, just come to this dashboard area where you can see the list of your existing apps or check analytics. You'll see the daily visits your app receives, the number of installations on Android and iOS, and your top 5 apps that are most installed and visited. To create a new app, click New App here, or click Create a New App. Both buttons perform the same function. Enter your app name, like Food Phone for example, then click on Create. This will create a fresh new app for you. To add new features, you can select from the features listed here. For example, some features are only available with the Pro version. If you click on one of these, you might need to upgrade to add this feature since it is available only in Pro. To start adding a feature to your app, click here, and the feature will be added. This, for example, is one way to add a new feature. If you'd like to check your app's analytics, you can click here. Since I'm using the free version, I only see demo data. If you want to send push notifications to your customers, click on this menu. If you want to view your app users, click on this menu. To manage your subscription, click on this menu. If you need to configure your email address or branding, click here. To design your app interface, click here. Here, you can change the layout or look and feel of your apps. You can also change your app's font here. In this section, as we saw earlier, this is where you manage the features available in your app. For example, this RSS feed feature, which is currently active and displays this information. To further customize your app icons and splash screen, go to Customize. You can also change your app name here if you'd prefer a different name. You can change your app icon here. You can change your app splash screen here. You can also adjust your app's back button. You can change your app language here if you have users from Spain, Italy, or France. If you plan to use in-app purchases, click on App Access to assign specific features to individual users in your app. Alternatively, you can lock all features and require in-app purchases to access them. If you want your users to automatically receive notifications when you release app updates, you can add this feature by toggling it on. To download and publish your app, click the Download button in the top corner. You can change your app configurations, but be cautious if you already have a published app. Free users who don't have access to Android or iOS builds can download our test versions and try their apps on their devices. However, Pro users can generate a new APK, an AAB file for Google Play, or for iOS. Generate a build file for submission to the App Store. Under Marketing, you can enable app ratings, which helps boost your app's visibility in stores. To monetize your app, you can integrate Google AdMob to earn from cost-per-click banner ads or interstitial ads. AdMob is available on both Android and iOS. When you create your app, you also have a web version, allowing you and your users to visit and install your progressive web app. If you want to switch from night mode to light mode, you can click this to change to light mode. To change the interface language, click here and switch. If you want to use AI instead of the visual builder, you can click here to start building your app with AI. To manage your profile, you can click here and go to Profile. Thank you very much for watching this onboarding video.